What up, YouTube? It's your boy Hoodie Trey back with another banger for y'all today, man. Anyway, my hair ain't the best right now, you know, but that's straight, man. I know when I go back to school tomorrow, man, I'm gonna upload this tonight for y'all. Instant curls fast, bro. It's dry right now. All you gonna need, bro, you gonna need a pick, some leave-in conditioner. My bottle is messed up. You need some leave-in conditioner. You need some Cantu coconut curling cream. Anything, any cream, gel, whatever you got to put in your hair as well. A sponge, if optional, it's optional. If you want to use a sponge, I use it sometimes to just make the curls a little more better. And something like this to keep the curls moist. Keep this on our head. So anyway, let's get into it. First, you want to wet your hair. My hair ain't really wet, so I recommend doing it in the shower. Like, just put your shower head on. Alright, once your hair real wet, it should be like this, man. You know, shake it up, whatever, dry it off a little bit. Don't just pat it down. Make it stop leaking and stuff, right? And then that's when this comes in. You wanna grab your leave-in conditioner. Make sure you shake it up real good so it can come out. See? Right here. Gonna rub it in. While your hair is wet, make sure you do this while your hair is wet. Just moisturizing it real good. You might need more. Yeah, it's a little bit curly. You can see the curls coming in, right? Put a little bit more in there. Yeah, there we go. That's a good one. Most of it fell off my head, but you know. Shake the mess out of your head, boy. Woo! Look at them popping, bro. We ain't even done yet. They already popping for me, man. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now that you got that done, grab your pick and just, if you don't like it, just lift it up. Don't go all the way through. Or if you want to, you can pick it up in the beginning, after you like wet your hair. Alright, don't pick it all the way out though. See, you still got some curls, but it'll move your hair up. Then, I'm gonna get your Cantu or your curling cream, man, you know what I'm saying? Put 2 fingers in there. This should be enough. Man. Same thing. Well, wet your hair more if you want to. sure you shake it real good, man. And then that's pretty much it. You can add more to it. I'm gonna keep it real short and simple, bro. But if you wanna add the sponge, go ahead. And then you got your curls, bro. And that's how you do it, bro. Define curls. We just wanna mess with your hair, keep the curls on. And then final step, make sure you keep this on an hour at a time. Just keep it on. You won't put this cap on right here. And then I'll show you the results after the cap.